Assalamualaikum. My topic for today is building your house. An elderly carpenter was ready to retire. He told his employer of his plans to leave the house building business to live a more leisurely life with his wife and enjoy his extended family. He would miss the paycheck each month, but he wanted to retire. They could get by. The employer was sorry to see his good worker go and asked if he could build just one more house as a personal favor. The carpenter said yes, but over time it was easy